A DoorDash account can get deactivated instantly when the system flags your profile for violations, background issues, or account integrity checks, and in many cases, drivers don't get a clear explanation on the screen. By the end, you'll know the real reasons DoorDash deactivates accounts, how to check what triggered it, and the exact steps to try getting your account restored. Here's what's actually going on. DoorDash uses automated systems to monitor completion rate, customer complaints, and account behavior patterns. When something looks abnormal, the system can suspend or deactivate the account before a human review happens. That's why it often feels random. Start with the first thing you need to check. Open your email linked to DoorDash. Most deactivations come with a message explaining the category of the issue, even if it's vague like violated terms or fraud risk. If you see that email, do not ignore it. It usually contains the appeal link, which is the only official way to request reactivation. Next step is the appeal process. Go to the DoorDash Help Center and find the deactivation appeal form. Fill it out with your full details and explain your situation clearly and calmly. Avoid emotional language and focus on facts like your last active shifts and any issues you noticed. Now here's what most drivers miss. If your deactivation is tied to background check updates or identity verification issues, support will not fix it through chat. It has to go through Checker or DoorDash's internal review system, depending on what triggered the flag. Another important step is checking your Dasher app status carefully. If it shows suspended instead of fully deactivated, that can sometimes mean a temporary hold, not a permanent removal. That difference matters because temporary holds can sometimes be resolved faster through verification steps. If your appeal is denied, you can still submit a second appeal, but it must include new information or clarification. Repeated identical appeals usually don't change the outcome. The key idea is simple. DoorDash deactivations usually come from automated risk systems, and reactivation depends on identifying the exact trigger and using the correct appeal path. To sum it up, check your email first. Submit a clear appeal through the official form, and identify whether the issue is account behavior or verification related. Next step is simple. Open your DoorDash email right now and look for the deactivation notice, so you know exactly what category your account falls into. If you want more simple gig app fixes explained step by step, subscribe for quick guides that help you recover accounts and avoid common mistakes.